This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this red French grape variety that is part of the typical Bordeaux blend. It is grown in Bordeaux, but not very commonly seen as a varietal wine. You do not find many wines made purely with Petit Verdot. But it is part of the Bordeaux blend, and it is often used in a small proportion to make the red wines in Bordeaux, adding some tannic structures, some delicious floral characters. We are looking at how to pronounce the name with the typical pronunciation, Petit Verdot. Now, there's going to be two different ways to pronounce Petit Verdot. There's going to be the English or American sounding pronunciation, which is going to be Petit Verdot, Petit Verdot, which is typically how Americans or English people pronounce it, and there is going to be the French pronunciation, which is Petit Verdot, Petit Verdot. So note that in French, petit, you do not pronounce the T at the end of petit, neither do you pronounce the T at the end of Verdot. You simply say Petit Verdot, Petit Verdot. Un vin de Petit Verdot, a wine of Petit Verdot, a wine made from Petit Verdot. Now in English or American, people do pronounce the T at petit, and they say Petit Verdot, Petit Verdot. You're more likely to be understood if you say Petit Verdot than Petit Verdot, if you're speaking with English-speaking people, but the typical French pronunciation is Petit Verdot. Petit Verdot, one of my favorite grape varieties. I hope this video was useful. Here are more videos about how to pronounce wine words, the top 40 wine words in the world that you should definitely nail the pronunciation of. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.